Good morning, everyone. Whatever I discussed in the previous class, we will go onwards. You know, in fact, in Python, we are working with data set, and we are finding different ways of analyzing data using different methods in pandas, and in what way you will extract the desired information in the proper way. We are discussing earlier in the previous class. I discussed mainly about pivoting and sorting of data, and also I individually told about different functions, statistical functions, using which we can extract the information of our choice. And also I discussed last day about the quantile process and different extents of quantile. Today also the students who is attending the students who are attending the class will confirm by your name in the WhatsApp group. That will be a kind of your attendance that you have gone through the class. Last day, I sent the assignment, the set of 12 questions, 12 in fact the commands were there. It was given to execute those commands, and the result which you are getting, it was to tell that in what way that particular function is working and what kind of a result is given by that. Hope you are doing this, and take time. It is good to submit that on Wednesday. Till then, you analyze. Today, I will consider all those functions again, and to discuss the way they are working and the kind of information you can extract from that. The students are not confirming. Please come and confirm your presence. Also, I will tell that today there may be, after 45 minutes, the network will create problem because of the limit of my data package. So I will wind up the class in that limit only for today. So let us begin with. See, about aggregation, I told you that on the basis of the given raw data, we can extract the information of our choice. Aggregation is a process of extracting information of our choice from given data set. you must have certain problems. Okay, you want the data in this way. So let us have some data, and the previous data which I gave you to work with, the same I will use here. Only Ananya is found present. Where are other students? Let me clear and come to the terminal. Let us zoom it. OS dot system clear. Achha. Import OS. Last day I imported, but I don't know where it has disappeared. Oh, sorry, I'm in the. Okay, let me quit from this for a while. Clear. See, we had sales.csv. Samveg Jan has confirmed. Now see, I had here last day sales.csv was the file which I'm considering for data analysis. Now let us start Python once again. Python 3. And again I'm using this interactive mode again and again because single command is there to see the use. Later on I told you that when we'll consider some real-time problem of data analysis in the project and in software design and making, then we can write the complete computer program. Right now you are understanding the way these commands are used. So it is good to use interactive mode. And I repeat again, I expect that everyone attending this class has created the account in Python Anywhere. So I expect that whatever I am discussing, you will execute them in your terminals and get the works done and understood properly. And I repeat that whatever the assignments last day I sent, everyone will try to do and will get the things done properly. Priyanshu Karamchandani has confirmed the presence. So let us import pandas, import import pandas as, let us say, PD. Now, let us say df1, data frame 1, the variable I have given, equal to PD dot data frame sales dot csv. Sorry. Oh, sometimes my mind goes off. It is df1 equal to pd dot read csv. I was reading csv file and given the data frame. Read csv sales dot csv bracket close. Now see, this csv has been loaded. Now when df1 is called, you will find the things will come. Yes, this is our data coming. Let me reduce the size. You see, we have the headings. Some heads you see, then it will be better to understand. I am writing df1 dot head three. Now see, first three rows are coming. Just to see the headings, it is sales date, region, representative REP, item, unit, unit cost, and total. Now, first thing is that I want, or the requirement is that zone wise, I want, first of all, this data to be arranged. About pivoting, last day I told you that it is the way of rearranging the data. Pivoting is a way of rearranging data frame in a customized way so that to know the information desired in proper way. Last day I told about a method pivot of data frame. There are two pandas methods. applicable on data frame for pivoting. One is pivot, other is pivot underscore table. Small example last day I discussed, because 2-3 things altogether I told. So just introduced what pivoting can do in the previous class. Now with the help of some specific problems, I will discuss this pivoting in detail today. First of all, along with the use of aggregation functions to extract the information. And so two functions are there, two methods are there, pivot and pivot table. The one difference you can keep right now in your mind with the two, that pivot works with unique value of indices, while pivot table works with duplicates also, so that aggregation functions can be used on them. Let me send one reminder to the group, because I'm finding few students appearing today. I'm finding in the list Yusra Rizvi, Ishika, Bushra Khan, Khushi Raz, Gungun Badani, Samvek Jain, Angit, Priyanshu Karamchandani, and Sakshi. But in the live list, I am finding only 6 users. After giving the confirmation, maybe you have gone, or there may have some network problem at your side. Anyway, this video will be available later on also, you can see. So that aggregation functions can be used on them. So this is the main thing right now to keep in mind, that pivot works with a unique value of indices, and pivot table works with duplicates also. Now let us come. Shafia, you have given your confirmation. Yes, so we have here sales date, region, representative, item, unit cost, and total. Suppose you are writing df1 dot pivot let us say index equal to sales date comma, columns equal to, let us say, pencil. In fact, you want to know the sale of pencils on different dates. This is the requirement. I am using right now the pivot option, pivot method, values equal to, let us say, total. Pencils. Oh, this is item was the name, sorry. Columns equal to items. I wrote the value. Item. Item or items, I'm not sure. Speed is not supporting today. Pressing enter. Maybe items again problem. Items. What is the problem? It's item small, it is written. Okay. DF1. S is not there. My terminal is working very slow today. I think I have to take an alternative, then only it is possible to be done, because it's taking too much time. Item, and at the end the bracket has been deleted, so giving the bracket. Now see, this is coming. For each date, total is coming on first. Let me increase the size. On first 15 to 15 binder is sold only, the rest are NaN. This date only binder, this date pencil, this date, binder, this date, pen. So in this way, for each date, individual item which has been sold is being shown. Now, with the same, if I or suppose you will do the same for let us say region. Instead of sales date, you are writing region. Then you will get the error message that index contains duplicate entries, cannot be reshaped. So this is its limitation. You can say that pivot is the specific case of pivot table where it works with unique values with no duplicates. But pivot table is on whole, pivot table is generic, that works with duplicate values of indices in different way and unique value of indices in a different way. So let us say I'm giving here df1 dot pivot table index equal to region. You see, when this is given, you are finding this information. So region wise total is shown 464 and so on. The total and unit sold and the unit cost, all the three are shown. Now what is this value? If you will see df1, some of the head, let us say first 5, you see simple head you give. Now see, the total is central region. If you consider, then 3 items are seen for central region, and one is 999, 175, then 539. 3 different values are there, and here 464 is coming. So remember, or just to keep in mind that by default, pivot table is when called on a data frame. By default, mean aggregation function or the result of aggregation is coming with mean of numeral values. So it is showing the mean of this one. Now explicitly, if you want to specify something else, if you want to specify something else explicitly, pivot underscore table index equal to region comma aggfunc. This is for specifying aggregate function. Let me check without this it calls or not. Directly I am writing sum. If not, then with the help of NP it has to give. Means numpy you have to specify. My terminal is working a little bit slower today, so I have to wait for this. Sum. One more error was there. Oi, cursor is moving here and there. I think I have to go with some other alternative because today the network is creating problem. Leave it. Coming to terminal. This is my own terminal. Sales is available. Then Python 3 started. df1 equal to first of all import pandas, import pandas as pd. थोड़ा zoom कर देते हैं. Pandas imported. Then df1 equal to pd dot read csv sales dot csv coming. Then I was doing pivoting df1 dot pivot underscore table index equal to let us say region comma aggfunc. Directly first of all I am writing sum and checking whether no it is not coming. Not coming. So import numpy also. Import numpy as let us say np, and then I am doing this df1. This is np dot sum. अब क्या हुआ? df1 np dot sum, maybe like this. Again error coming. Oh, df1 not like this. np dot sum is not a valid function. Okay, I don't know why this is coming. df1 df1 अच्छा चलिए सम से ही आया. Anyway, see, the result is coming. Earlier that was coming, it was only the average value without this when I was giving this. Only region I am giving. Then see, here it was coming the mean, and this giving total of all the numerals. So again, if you will do like this, df1 agg function equal to mean. Equal to mean. Now see, whatever is coming for mean and without any aggregation function, the results are same. So this is a clarification that the aggregation function mean is by default attached or by default available for the use in pivot table. And when explicitly when you are specifying sum, then sum is coming. Central region total cell is of this, east region total cell is this, west region total cell is this. Now representative wise you can specify more indices also, like df1 pivot table region is given, comma, suppose you are giving for representatives also, then you are observing that for each region, first of all, the division is done on region level, and each region, whatever the representative is working, its mean is shown separately. If you want its what I say sum, then you can specify sum. Then sum for each representatives region wise will come. Heading, you see, this is at the top, it is given sum, and uh, sum for what? Then sum for total, sum for units, and sum for unit cost. So you can find the information here in the central region. Andrews have total units sold 183, unit cost is total altogether. This has no meaning at all, but unit cost sum is 10.26, and total value he got by selling 183 units is 438.37. Similar is with Jill, and similar is with Jardine and Kevil, and so on. The results are available. You can specify, see, these three columns, total, unit and unit cost, are available for sum, for showing the sum. Please confirm my voice is coming or not, one or two students, because I told you earlier around 43 minutes has gone, and the network speed has slashed down. So confirm whether voice is coming or not, so that I can finish this. Okay, so let me finish this. अंकित कुमार हैज कंफर्म्ड. नूतन कुमारी पता नहीं किनकी माँ का नाम है, हम नहीं कह सकते, अपना नाम नहीं है मेरे कंप्यूटर में सेफ. एनीवे, सो you have, this is coming on the screen, where you are observing that at the top it is given sum, and then total, unit cost, unit and unit costs, they are coming in that way. So sum aggregation is being applied region wise and representative wise on the three numeral columns: total, unit and unit cost. Now, if you will apply, let us say, since in the beginning itself, if you are observing, then I gave the function, I called the function sum as a list. In the list, suppose you are attaching mean, then all the three sets will come for sum, all the three sets will come for mean. Again, when you will specify something else, then all the three sets will come for other aggregation functions if you will specify. Now, according to the assignments, the same things I was calling and discussing here, but today I have the limitation with the net speed, so there may have problem. Once again, I am trying, but I suppose it will not work. So let us wind up the class today, and I hope these things you will apply on your computer, and you will try to extract the result. The rest of the things next day I will discuss. So let us wind up today and work according to the instructions given. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.